Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I wanted to add to my Pat Mcgrath series of Let's Play eyeshadow looks, and I wanted to do like a smoky eye. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, because I keep seeing on Instagram all these amazing smoky eyes that are like really big and oval. They almost look like little beams that have like a little tail in the end, and I kind of want to mimic that today. And for that, I wanted to use aubergine, which is the purple. I think we're going to use some entrapment and some of the the other brown shadow, whose name I forgot, and maybe some really light glitter. But I want to keep everything almost like shimmer free, so it would just be matte and glitter, and hopefully that comes out cool. Okay, so first I'm going to start with my primer. I'm using the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And now with the crease brush, I'm just going to pick up aubergine and start building it all over the eye. And I think by the end of this look, we're gonna get a very minimal brow bone space left, to work with, kind of similar to my NARS video. This is starting to look pretty cool. I'm starting to hollow out the eyes. And what I really like about this purple color is like on the compact, on the pan, it looks pretty boring, like it's just a matte purple, that doesn't have any life. But once you put it on the skin, it like has this small hint of vibrancy that's super sexy, almost like a matte lipstick. Like a lot of these shades remind me of those lipsticks that most people wouldn't dare to pick up because they don't want to wear, strong colors. But I guess now that it's on the eye, it's not as daunting, to pick up a color like this. Okay, now I'm gonna work around these edges, and then I'm gonna wing it out, with the ponytail. This is probably like the most concentrated I've ever been in any tutorial, and I think it's because I really don't want to mess it up. Like I really want this to have shape and be successful and magnificent, and like all the things that it could possibly be for an eyeshadow video. And it's a little bit scary to think like that, just because when you do, you think about the failure, and the failure can be just as exciting, but in the opposite way. Okay, now I'm going to use a smudge brush with the same color. Okay, now I'm just gonna patch up the areas that are patchy. And now to give this a little bit of contrast, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually apply some whiteout concealer to the middle of the lid, and then I'm gonna apply aubergine on top of it. And I think like unlike the other series, like the NARS series for the single shadows that I did and the Charlotte Tilbury palette series that I did, with this palette, I'm just gonna keep pumping looks until you guys get really tired of it, because this is one of my favorite palettes, of all palettes that I've ever owned. And Okay, I'm not gonna make like 20 parts, but it'll be significantly a lot more than the other series that I started. Okay, so you can see the lids are coming back very slowly. I'm gonna build up the intensity right by the lash line, just so it's a little brighter. This type of highlighting to bring features out is probably one of the most useful techniques if you have eyes like mine, because it really helps to bring out the shape. Okay, and I'm gonna grab a flat shader brush and I'm just gonna press the aubergine right on top of it. I'm gonna start from the outside and bring it in hopes to create a gradient. Okay, this looks really cool. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the browns, and I'm gonna use the MAC 219 brush to kind of just draw that in. I'm gonna start with Disobedient, which is a dark brown. Now I'm grabbing some of Disobedient with a ponytail. I'm gonna try to blend the edges right here. Okay, so that's where it needs to be. And let's get this one to that level. Okay, so I'm gonna add some, I think I'm gonna do the gold glitter, and I'm just gonna add it by the lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna add some on the inner corner. And again, purple and yellow are great to play off of each other. They bring both of them, you know, they bring each other out as colors. Alright, so that completes it. I'm gonna put some liner and some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that sums up the video. I was gonna put lashes, but then I put them on and they look kind of, I don't know, they didn't show up really well. So I kind of like the look as is, you know, without lashes and just dark liner around it with the glitter. Let me zoom out and I'll give you some closing statements. But before I zoom out, let me show you real quick. Alright, that was the tutorial for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this third look. I am uploading very, very dramatic looks because, you know, it's called Let's Play, so we're gonna play with makeup and make it super, super rich and pungent with shadows. So I'm just gonna leave you with this. I hope you guys enjoyed the glitter and the darkness of it all and this really, really matte look. I cut a lot to make the video, you know, run smoothly and seamlessly, but I did blend quite a bit. Like, it's one of my longest footages that I've had because I had to do so much blending to make sure it looked, you know, like this, like really, really flawless. Okay, well, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell so you're notified of videos that I am uploading, you know, daily. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the content that you're watching. And if you want to share the video, I'll highly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one.